Hi, and thank you for joining us today. Welcome to a new uploaded video. Here you will find around 50 magnificent furnishing and decorating ideas for luxurious home interiors with a glamorous look. The glamorous style combines traditional and contemporary and retro style splendor with the modern glamour look. I think you remember the movie The Great Gatsby with the sumptuous and glamorous home interiors. Like in the movie, lovers of the glamorous furnishing and decorating style often choose antique and high quality furniture pieces and decorating accessories for their home interiors. In addition to these magnificent sofas, coffee tables, side tables, chest of drawers and chairs come fabulous table lamps, crystal chandeliers and crystal vases. Everything shines and glitter in a glamorous home interior. Even the textiles and fabrics are sparkling. Just watch our video and enjoy these images of fabulous home interiors. They are created for any type of residential unit and not just for a luxurious mansion. Yes, you can create a glamorous atmosphere in your own home with just a few simple tricks. After all, in essence, glamour style, it is lots of glitter and shine, but always remains elegant and stylish, a big difference from the minimalism and Nordic design style. A glamorous interior includes lots of lamps, sumptuous light fixtures, lustrous fabrics, sparkling textiles, heavy curtains, fluffy carpets, porcelain objects, velvet sofas, golden embellishments, and shiny silvery bits. There are so many things to say about a glamorous style home interior, but I prefer to let you enjoy these fantastic images and listen a beautiful background soundtrack. However, if you want to know more about these home interiors, please read the post from our website. You will find the link in the video description. One more thing. We love to hear your opinion about this video. Do not forget to write about it in the comments section. sincerely hope you like our video and you have found here valuable, inspiring ideas for your own home makeover. Please write your opinion in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.